students, welcome, and today we will discuss IELTS speaking. One of the topics that comes in is sports and fitness, and this is how a band 9 answer looks like. The question is, how do you keep healthy? There are many ways by which people keep healthy. They exercise, they do yoga, they play sports, different kind of sports. Some play badminton, some play football, some play cricket. So there are different ways by which people keep healthy. So you can say, I usually practice yoga and meditation in my daily routine to keep myself fit as a fiddle, as well as ride bicycle in evenings to further enhance my fitness. You can say you practice yoga. Yoga is a form of exercise and meditation. Meditation helps you to concentrate, and in your daily routine you keep fit as a fiddle. Fit as a fiddle is a idiom which states that you are building your strength, you are building your fitness, as well as ride bicycle in evenings. You can say you go on a brisk walk in evenings if you want to change this answer to further enhance my fitness. Additionally, I eat a balanced diet and avoid excessive oily foods to keep myself free of diseases. If you want to change this, you can say, additionally, I eat a keto diet or a vegan diet which avoids any oil, which is oil free. And also, you can say you eat lots of nuts, you eat less carbohydrates and more proteins to keep yourself fit. This is how you can change the answer as well. The second question is, do you play any kind of sports to stay fit? Now, in this question, if you are answering no, please explain why. Why don't you play sports? Why don't you feel you don't need sports? So, if you're gonna be answering no, keep your reasoning also. Tell the reason why you don't play any sports. Are you injured? Do you have no inclination towards sports? Or you don't get time to play sports, etc. etc. But in my answer, I have written, I am quite fond of playing basketball as it helps me to stay in shape. You can change this by saying you are fond of playing football or you are fond of playing cricket, and also improves in my cardiovascular health. Cardiovascular health is health related to the heart. Okay, it strengthens my breathing, my muscular activity. Okay, beside that, it also refreshes my mind and rejuvenates my body. Rejuvenates means bring it back, bring something back. You're tired and someone has given you an energy drink. It rejuvenates your body. It gives the body a kick. So this is how you can answer these two questions. So the third question is, which sport is popular in your country? Now please tell which sport is popular in your country. If baseball is popular in your country, tell baseball is popular in my country. If cricket is, then say cricket. If football is, then say football. In the sample answer here, you can say cricket undoubtedly is the most favorite sport in my nation. The synonym for popular is favorite. Okay, and people of all age groups, including men, women, and children, enjoy the fun and excitement associated with this game. So, we have covered all genders, men, women, children, everyone we have covered who enjoy the game, who enjoy watching the game, who enjoy playing the game. Okay, so you can say baseball is the most popular sport in my country as millions of people watch it live on television when the Red Sox play the New York Yankees or something along those lines. So, question number 4 says, do you like trying new activities? Okay. See, this new activities, this is kind of a trap. Now, when it says new activities, it does not necessarily mean adventurous activities. You can change your answer, you can change the way you craft your answer. You can say, yes, I like to try new activities. I am testing my skills with regards to poetry, or I'm testing my skills with regards to writing a novel or short story. But here, since I've kept it with inclined with the sports only, because previously we have done questions regarding sports, so I'm basically trying to do this. But don't get caught here. New activities does not necessarily mean adventurous activities. You can say poetry, you can say drama, you can say swimming, you can say all those activities that you try. Or if you do not like trying new activities, you can say no, I do not like to try new activities. I'm a stay at home guy. I'm a simple human being. I do not like to try new stuff. As I'm not courageous enough, I feel that if I tried something new, it might not work out. Okay. So in this sample answer, I'm saying I am a courageous and daring person and like to take new adventures like hiking, rafting, which gives me an opportunity to rediscover myself as well as push myself beyond the limit. Here, I have changed the answer to adventurous activities like hiking, rafting. You can say I'm an adventurous person. I play different kinds of sports. One week I try basketball, other week I try football, the third week I try cricket. Okay, so this is how you can manipulate your answer. So this is the end of the video, and thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye. So if you like this video, please make sure to hit the like and subscribe button